Welcome to the 5th edition of the most prestigious award in the OTT world, Danube Properties Filmfare OTT Awards 2024.
आदाब आदाब आदाब, शुक्रिया नवाजिश। ख्वातीनो हजरात, मैं हूँ आपका अजीज चैंग और आप सबका तहे दिल से खैर मकदम का।
एक मिनट, इतनी उर्दू आपको शोभा नहीं देती सर। मतलब चैंग से चैंगेज खान, यार ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मुगलिया दरबार में अवार्ड सेरेमनी चल रही है हैं? मतलब जिले इलाही की बदौलत अब मौसीकी का जो इनाम है वो नवाजा जा रहा है जनाब तानसेन को, हैं?
मिर्जा शारेब, आपको तो पता ही होगा कि हीरा मंडी 2 आने वाली है। अब क्या है ना कि हीरा मंडी में आपने सबने देखा, सब कितनी अदब से बात कर रहे थे, कितने नुक्ते लगा रहे थे। खालिस, गरीब, ख्वाहिश, अरे इतने नुक्ते लगे पाजी, इतने नुक्ते लगे कि सबके एपिग्लोटिस जैम हो गए यार। इसलिए अब अगर हीरा मंडी 2 में रोल चाहिए तो हमें यूं ही गुफ्तगू करनी होगी।
गुफ्त क्या?
गू, जिसमें नहीं होगी कोई बू।
ओ
आगे बढ़ते हैं पाजी।
अगर ऐसा है तो भैया लल्लन टाप होगा आज का समा, क्योंकि भौकाल आएगा और हम उड़ाएंगे गर्दा।
पाजी उठते ही पर्दा आप उड़ा रहे हो गर्दा?
हाँ,
पाजी सडन शिफ्ट कैसे? यहाँ हम उर्दू कर रहे थे, आप सीधा देसी पे आ गए हो।
हीरा मंडी 2 आ रही है तो मिर्जापुर की फिल्म भी तो आ रही है। अरे हमको उसमें रोल चाहिए भैया।
पाजी हम इधर कास्टिंग नहीं करवाने आए हैं, अपनी जो ऑलरेडी कास्ट हो चुके हैं और कमाल कर चुके हैं, हम उनको अवार्ड देने आए हैं।
ओह,
तो
that's true ना। चलिए अवार्ड को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और चलते हैं यहाँ।
आपके कद को भी थोड़ा बढ़ाते हैं। वाह वाह, क्या बात है यार।
ये लोग अपना लक पहन के चलते हैं, मैं अपना पाटला लेके चलता हूँ।
क्या बात है, पाटला
तालियां,
हाथ बनाएंगे आप पे। वाह वाह वाह।
तो वेलकम नहीं, वेल ज्यादा टू डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज फिल्मफेयर OTT अवार्ड्स 2024 को पावर्ड बाय Hyundai उत्तर प्रदेश महाकुंभ 2025।
और OTT कितना सक्सेसफुल हो गया है ये तो सीजन आने से ही पता चल जाता है।
हाँ, वेदर डिपार्टमेंट के पास इतने सीजन्स नहीं हैं जितने OTT में वेब सीरीज के पास हैं। वेदर यू लाइक इट और नॉट। मिर्जापुर
सीजन 3,
तनाव
सीजन 2,
ताजा खबर
सीजन 2, कोटा फैक्ट्री
सीजन 4,
गुल्लक
सीजन 4,
महारानी
सीजन 3,
फिल्म फेयर OTT अवार्ड
सीजन 5। क्या बात है। और फिल्म फेयर OTT अवार्ड्स के हर सीजन के बाद कैसे चीजें ग्रैंड और अमेजिंग होती जा रही है भाई।
बिल्कुल पाजी। जस्ट इमेजिन 5th एडिशन में चैंग और शारिब दोनों को एक साथ लेके आए हैं। मतलब कहीं पे ऐसी माइंड ब्लोइंग कॉम्बिनेशन देखी है द मोस्ट कवेटेड अवार्ड्स के लिए, द मोस्ट सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड एंकर्स। वाह वाह, तालियां बजा दो कमीनों।
बट बिफोर वी बिगिन विद द अवार्ड्स, वी वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर एस्टीम्ड ज्यूरी, क्योंकि उन्होंने टाइम लेकर हर OTT फिल्म सीरीज को देखकर परखकर अपना फैसला सुनाया है। गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अपलॉज फॉर
अजीत पाल सिंह,
अली अब्बास जफर,
अमित मसूरकर,
आनंद एल राय,
अन्विता दत्त,
अश्विनी अय्यर तिवारी,
अविनाश अरुण,
देवाशीष मखीजा,
हर्षवर्धन कुलकर्णी,
जसमीत रीन,
जूही चतुर्वेदी,
निखिल महाजन,
निपुण धर्माधिकारी,
ओनीर,
प्रोसेत रॉय,
राहुल चिट्टेला,
रमेश तौरानी,
रणदीप झा,
श्रीजित मुखर्जी,
वासन बाला।
क्या बात है।
भगवान करे इनकी चूरी यहीं बनी रहे। चैंग बाजी, आपने वो गाना सुना है, भीगी भीगी रातों में ऐसी बरसातों में पैसा लगता है रे?
पाजी पैसा नहीं,
हाँ?
कैसा लगता है, कैसा?
नहीं मेरे भाई, जहाँ शैंपेन की नदियां बहती हैं, जहाँ इतने सारे स्टार्स शाम में उनकी रौनक रहती है, सारे ऑडियंस हमारे जोक सहती है, मतलब ऐसे में पैसा लगता है चैंग। और वो पैसा लगाते हैं कौन है?
हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स के लिए। टाइटल पार्टनर,
हमें तालियां ना दें चलेगा, लेकिन स्पॉन्सर्स को देना पड़ेगा।
क्योंकि उनके लिए ताली बजेगी तो हमारी पेमेंट आ जाएगी यार। क्या बात करते हो। टाइटल पार्टनर डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज दुबई, को-पावर्ड बाय Hyundai Motor India Limited एंड उत्तर प्रदेश महाकुंभ 2025। एसोसिएट पार्टनर्स ITC Fiamma, KPT Pipes, Campa Energy, Non-Stop Energy with a fun twist and Uttar Pradesh Tourism.
रेडियो पार्टनर मिर्ची, ऑडियो पार्टनर गाना, ट्रॉफी पार्टनर द अवार्ड गैलरी। The first set of awards is for those who are awesome mountaineers, mind-blowing hikers, breathtaking divers, fantabulous.
एक सेकंड ये कुछ चैनल चेंज हो गया नहीं?
हैं?
आपको नहीं लगा हम यहाँ पे किस चीज की बात कर रहे थे और आप अचानक पहुंच गए हो कहीं और?
नहीं भाई,
क्या है माउंटेनियर्स एंड ऑल? ये तो डैनियल प्रॉपर्टीज फिल्म फेयर ओटीटी अवार्ड्स हैं।
हाँ तो है, मैंने कब मना किया?
तो आप क्या बात कर रहे हो, फिर किसी और की बात कर रहे हो?
यार OTT वर्ल्ड ने सबसे ज्यादा माउंटेनियर्स दुनिया को दिए हैं।
अच्छा,
क्योंकि प्लॉट समझ में नहीं आता है तो राइटर्स पहाड़ चले जाते हैं। स्टोरी आगे नहीं बढ़ रही है, चलो पहाड़ निकलते हैं। कैरेक्टर आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं, पहाड़ चलते हैं ना। अकॉर्डिंग टू द फोरम ऑफ OTT राइटिंग, पता चला है कि 100% में से 99.99% OTT स्टोरीज पहाड़ों में ही लिखी जाती है, क्योंकि पहाड़ों में कमाल की स्टोरीज मिलती हैं।
एग्जैक्टली मतलब ओटीटी राइटिंग में हार्ड वर्क से ज्यादा पहाड़ वर्क है।
बिल्कुल, पर मैं तो चाहूंगा कि हमारे सारे ब्रिलियंट राइटर्स पहाड़ पे ही रहें, ताकि पहाड़ की चोटी पे ही उच्च कोटि का कंटेंट हमें देते रहें और हम उनकी तारीफ करते रहें।
तो चलिए इसी ऊंची सोच के राइटर्स को अवार्ड देते हैं। सबसे पहले
द फर्स्ट अवार्ड इज फॉर द बेस्ट स्टोरी वेब ओरिजिनल फिल्म्स एंड द नॉमिनेशंस आर ओके।
present this award, we would like to welcome Tanisha Mukherjee on stage, please.
The best story web original film, and the winner is Zoya Akhtar, Arjun Viren Singh, Reema Ghatki for Kho Gaye Hum Kahan.
Thank you, Filmfare. Just a big shout out to the two ladies who I had the opportunity to write this film with. Zoya Akhtar, Reema Kagti, thank you so much for letting me be a part of your process. And thank you to the producers, XL, Tiger Baby, for supporting this film. And a big shout out to all of the team who brought this film alive. Thank you so much.
The next award is for the best original story series, and the nominations are.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Namoshi Chakraborty.
The best story filmfare goes to Kala Pani.
Woo!
Viswapati Sarkar.
Viswapati.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Filmfare. This has just my name on it, but I share this with Sandeep, Amit, Nimisha is not here, and Rahul. And big credit to Sameer and Netflix for backing us to tell the story. Thank you so much.
The award for the best dialogue in a series. And the nominations are... And to present this award, we would like to welcome अपनी जिगरी श्रेया धनवंतरी on stage.
And the award goes to, it feels like cheating because it's my show, Sumit Arora for Guns and Gulabs.
क्या बात है?
Thank you so much. This is my second one after Family Man, which is again a collaboration with Raj and DK. This is, I think, I don't know, हमारी कौन सी collaboration है? I think 4th, 5th, 6th, I don't know, but there are many more to go. And just to be here, present amongst like इतने दिग्गज लोग, amongst the best of the creative minds of the industry, and to get this award, to be nominated, जिनके नाम अभी गायब हो गए हैं, but they all, it's been a great year for OTT, and I think we keep churning better and better content. Thank you so much, and to many collaborations with, more collaborations with Raj and DK. Thank you so much, Filmfare OTT. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you.
The next award is to honor the best original screenplay series. And the nominations are...
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Shreya Pilgaonkar on stage, please.
Woohoo! Shreya, hum sabki priya.
The Filmfare OTT Award for Best Original Screenplay goes to Raj and DK. Suman Kumar for Guns and Gulabs.
You know, they say that a good piece of art usually splits the room. And I think we achieved that with Guns and Gulabs because it's very close to our hearts, Raj and me especially, because it revolves around the theme of how love hurts. So we put all our love stories into that one, and it became a beautiful mess. So thank you for identifying that and rewarding us. It feels really great. Thank you, Filmfare. And I would like to dedicate this to my daughter, Adya, because she's going to fly away into the big bad world for the big adventure called life. And yeah, this one's for you, Adya. And thank you so much.
Writing award is the most special one for me because I think it's all down to the script, the budgets we put in, the hours we shoot, the amount of efforts we spend really stems from scripts and writing. And the more focus we put on writing and writers, we're going to have much better content. And that's what I'm seeing lately, the spotlight shifting more to the writers. And yeah, this is to all the writers. And the fact that I just made friends with writing a few years ago. So it gets easier once you start writing a lot. And that's what you do day in and day out. And I thank you for this. Means a lot. Thank you, Netflix. And yeah, DK, one for you. All right, thanks.
The next award is to honor the Best Adapted Screenplay Series, and the nominations are. And to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Jitendra Joshi.
ओहो जोशी
Bye, bye.
And the winner is Kiran Yajñopavit, Kedar Patankar, Karan Vyas, Scam, the Telugu story.
Thank you, Filmfare, and thank you to everybody, Hansal sir, everybody associated with Scam 2003. It was a hell of a journey. Mr. Kiran Yajñopavit couldn't be here, but on his behalf and on our behalf, thank you so much.
This is my third, and all three has been with Hansal sir. And this is my first award for the screenplay I have been always getting for the dialogue, so this one is special. So I will still treat it as the first one. So thank you so much, Hansal sir, Tushar, all my co-writers, Gagan, my family, my wife, my parents. I'm short of words because I'm first time on a Filmfare stage, but thank you so much, everyone.
The next award is for the Best Dialogue Web Original Films. And the nominations are...
और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए we would like to welcome on stage Nikhil Mahajan.
The winner for Best Dialogue Web Original Film are Imtiaz Ali and Sajid Ali for Amar Singh Chamkila.
Thanks to a lot of people, but starting with Mr. Amar Singh Chamkila himself. Thanks for living the life and for inspiring the story, for giving us a chance to write about you. And thank you, Filmfare, and credit to where it should go first. Thank you, Imtiaz.
Well spoken, Raj. I want to say all the things that Raj said before about writers and the value that writers have. And I'm particularly very happy to see many of my friends here. And this is the community that I feel the closest to. So thank you very much for being here. And hope to catch up with all of you very soon. Thank you, guys.
The next award is for the Best Original Screenplay Web Original Films. And the nominations are...
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Onir, Akash Menon, and Mir Salman on stage.
Bye, 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 bye.
Best Original Screenplay Web Original Film goes to... It's obvious, and I'm so happy to announce it. Imtiaz Ali and Sajid Ali for Amar Singh Chamkila, my favorite film.
I think for this award, we need to thank 5 people specially. Charanjit Ahuja, Pritpal Singh Dhakkan, Swaran Singh Sivya, Kikar Dalewal, and Kesar Singh Tikki. These are the people that told us everything about Chamkila, his life, and all we try to do is not lie and investigate and try to find out what actually must have happened. And it presented a very nice story. So thanks to those people and to all the people in Punjab that we have met and interviewed to have written this screenplay. It is really them telling us the story rather than we writing it. Thank you.
ये बताओ आप मुझे कि OTT इंडस्ट्री में कोई भी एक ऐसा आदमी है जिससे आप कभी पंगा नहीं लोगे?
श्री 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 1 2 3 4 बार और श्री.
कितनी बार श्री भाई, कितनी बार
श्री 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 श्री. इतनी रिस्पेक्ट मैं करता हूँ श्री. 1008 बार श्री सिनेमेटोग्राफर जी की क्यों की. सिनेमेटोग्राफर ही हैं जो हम एक्टर्स को ऐसे ऐसे एंगल से दिखाते हैं कि हम खुद को देखकर बोलते हैं अरे वाह क्या डैशिंग लग रहा हूं मैं यार.
क्या बात है, सही है बिल्कुल. आधार कार्ड वाले आदमी को भी इंस्टा डीपी जैसा दिखा देते हैं. ऐसे ही तो होते हैं हमारे सिनेमेटोग्राफर्स जिनको मैं, आप, हम सब सलाम करते हैं.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो हम इन्हें डोप कहते हैं. डोप डोप DOP. चलो अब देते हैं अवार्ड. एंड द अवार्ड इज फॉर द बेस्ट सिनेमेटोग्राफर सीरीज एंड द नॉमिनीज आर.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Hansal Mehta on stage.
So wonderful to be here, and the award for Best Cinematographer Series. Sudeep Chatterjee, Mahesh Limaye, Huyunstang Mohapatra, Ragul Herian Dharuman.
Thanks, Filmfare. It's a great honor to be here. Thanks to my family, the entire team of Hiramandi, and one and only our master craftsman, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali. To back his vision and to create visuals, it's a treat, and we were living that day in, day out on the sets. So thank you, Sanjay sir. Sudeep Da is not here, but he has sent a message to me. I'll just read it out. Meanwhile,
Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you, Sudeep Da. Means a lot for upcoming new DOP to get a good start. Thank you so much.
Dada has sent a message saying if you receive it, please read out this message because he's shooting in Hyderabad. So thank you, Filmfare. This is my 3rd Black Lady, and this really means a world to me. We worked really hard to bring this amazing world of Hiramandi on screen, and I promise to keep trying. A big shout out to the incredible support from the entire cinematography team, art team, costumes, VFX, production, AD team. We did this together. And he's saying, Sanjay, thank you for being a part of my life. So thank you, Sanjay sir. Thanks everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
क्योंकि जो अगला अवार्ड है वो है फॉर द बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन डिजाइन सीरीज एंड द नॉमिनेशंस आर.
Best Production Design, Subrata Chakrabarti and Amit Roy, Hiramandi, The Diamond Bazaar.
हमेशा कैमरे के पीछे रहने वाले हम ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते. सो थैंक यू फिल्म फेयर ये ग्रेट अचीवमेंट के लिए, एंड थैंक्स संजय सर. ये बहुत बड़ा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हमको आज मिला है, और इंटायर हमारा आर्ट टीम और ऑब्वियसली सुदीप दा, हमारे मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ फिलहाल, सो चैंग दादा, सब लोग थैंक्स अ लॉट.
जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है, बट थैंक यू पूरा हीरामंडी टीम को. थैंक यू संजय सर, थैंक यू सुदीप दा, मेरा आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट का पूरा टीम के लिए ये अवार्ड है. थैंक यू आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट, थैंक यू.
And our next category is for those people जो edit पे actually बहुत कुछ संभाल लेते हैं. The award for best editing series and the nominations are.
Paji, to present this award, I would like to welcome Anirudh Chaudhary on stage, please.
Isha Jaydev Ramachandani, the railway man.
Thank you so much. This is quite overwhelming. It's great to be here a second time. So the first time was for Thappad, and to be here for Railwaymen is very, very special. These are two projects very close to my heart. So thank you, Filmfare, for making us feel seen. And I share this really with the entire team of Railwaymen, each and every person from the cast and the crew. All of them brought everything they had to the project. It was a long-drawn process and a very fulfilling process. So I'm very happy to be here for this. And as always, this is for my parents. My mom is sitting right here. And yeah. And my dad up in the heavens rigging this for me, as always. For my husband, Anurag, who's just my rock, and it's because of him that I can do this with the abandon that I do this with. And for my sisters, Rashmi, Sneha, they're my biggest champions. And most especially, it is for my daughters, Amrai and Arzoe, who waited very, very patiently to come till we finished all the edits that were to be done. They are going to be 8 weeks old tomorrow.
Aww.
So this is specially for them. And now I'll just run back to diaper duties. Thank you so much.
The next award is for the best costume design series, and the nominations are.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Ehsaas Channa on stage.
And the Filmfare OTT goes to Rimple, Harpreet Narula, and Chandrakant Sonave for Hira Mandi.
थैंक यू सो मच. ये इतनी बड़ी लंबी जर्नी है, इसको कुछ शब्दों में बताना बहुत मुश्किल है. किस अप्स एंड डाउन से, किस क्रिएटिव माइंड से, किस रिसर्च से हम गुजरे, शायद अमित सर, महेश सर समझते हैं इस सब चीज़ों को. एंड थैंक्स टू मिस्टर संजय लीला भंसाली सर. आई थिंक वो मुझे लगता है एक कुलगुरु है, और वहाँ पे जाने के बाद जो सीखने को मिलता है वो शायद ही कोई बुक, शायद ही कोई इंस्टीट्यूट, शायद ही कोई ऐसी हस्ती है इस सिनेमा की इंडस्ट्री में जो आपको समझा सकती है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस ब्लैक लेडी. दिस इज माय फर्स्ट. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.
Hello everyone. Designers couldn't make it today here, but thank you so much Sanjay sir and then for this award. They are really have worked hard for the each costume in the series. So thank you so much to everyone.
The next award is for the best VFX series, and the nominations are.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Roman Shaw on stage, please.
Cheng Bhai, it's Roman.
क्या रोमांचक नाम है आपका यार, रोमान शॉल.
आप रोमान में पढ़िएगा ये.
So the best VFX for series goes to Filmgate, AB and Hive Studios, The Railwaymen.
Thank you, thanks a lot. Thanks Filmfare. Thanks the producers, entire team of producers and all. Thank you, and thanks the trust what we had. Thank you the team behind this who got this thing where like we are. Thank you.
हाँ भाई हाँ, वही वही वो जो अगला अवार्ड है ना वो है फॉर बेस्ट सिनेमाटोग्राफर वेब ओरिजिनल फिल्म्स एंड द नॉमिनेशंस आर
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Joy Ghosh. साहब आइए.
I've never heard anybody so excited before. And the winner is Sylvester Fonseca for Amar Singh Chamkila.
Yeah, so thank you Filmfare for this honor. I'd like to thank the whole team of Chamkila who really, worked very hard, and my team especially, the DOP team. But yeah, thank you so much.
The next award is for the best production design web original films and the nominations are
And the winner is Suzanne Kaplan Merwanji for The Archies.
पाजी जो अगला अवार्ड है ना अगर हम दोनों बिहेव ना करें तो ये अवार्ड के चलते हम लोग कहीं से कट भी सकते हैं ये अवार्ड जो है वो है बेस्ट एडिटिंग वेब ओरिजिनल फिल्म्स एंड द नॉमिनेशंस आर
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Sheba Chadda, Saddi favorite Angie.
The award goes to Aarti Bajaj for Amar Singh Chamkila. So happy.
वैसे पाजी एडिटर्स को हैट्स ऑफ है ना जाने कितनी बार मैंने प्रोड्यूसर को कहते सुना है कि अरे ये पीछे की दीवार पेंट नहीं हो सकती कहता तो क्या हुआ एडिट पे संभाल लेंगे
डायलॉग डिलीवरी ठीक से नहीं आई एडिट पे संभाल लेंगे यार
लाइट्स थोड़ी डिम है एडिट पे संभाल लेंगे यार आप लोग ना सच में बहुत कुछ संभालते हो
हाँ और अगर इनसे कोई एक्टर पंगा ले लेता है ना तो ये बोलते हैं बेटा एडिट टेबल पे आओ एडिट पे संभाल लेंगे
फिलहाल हम स्पॉन्सर्स की बात करते हैं जिन्होंने हमें पैसे देकर संभाला हुआ है टाइटल पार्टनर डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज दुबई
Co-powered by Hyundai Motor India Limited, Uttar Pradesh Mahakumbh 2025.
In association with ITC Fiamma, KPT Pipes,
Campa Energy, Non-Stop Energy with a fun twist, and Uttar Pradesh Tourism. Let's move on to our next awards. The next award is Best Background Music Series, and the nominations are...
I like this segment a lot. To present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage Ejaz Khan.
Arre, Vantai!
And the Filmfare OTT Award for the Best Background Music goes to Sam Slater, The Railwayman.
The next award is the Best Original Soundtrack Series, and the nominations are...
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Tahir Raj Bhasin on stage.
Hi guys, good to see you.
Rather looking Haseen, very good.
And the winner is Sanjay Leela Bansali, Raja Hassan and Sharmishta Chatterjee for Hira Mandi.
Well, what a day. I'm so nervous and I'm so grateful holding this. Thank you, Sanjay sir. It's all because of you. And what a beautiful soundtrack. I got to sort of perform the song Tilasmi Bahe. Sonakshi for bringing her magic to the frame when she performed on it. And congratulations to the entire team. I'm very thankful to Filmfare for this honor from behalf of all of the Hira Mandi team. And I also congratulate Sanjay ji, Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Raja Hassan, also who's, three of us are nominated for this. So thank you so much, thank you.
The next award is for the Best Sound Design Series. And the nominations are...
And to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Vikramaditya Mochwani.
And the award for Best Sound Design in series goes to Alvin Rego and Sanjay Maurya for Kala Pani.
Thank you so much. Actually, the sound journey started from here, and he was the one who pushed us for sound. It goes a lot to create a series and to do sound and then I would like to thank the entire team of Kalapan. My heart is beating. Okay. So I'd like to thank the entire team of Kalapani and thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you. It's an honor. Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you to the team at Kalapani, Netflix, Sameer, Amit, Vishwapati, my wife who's right there. Thank you. And yeah, thank you all. Good afternoon. See you.
The next award is for the Best Background Music Web Original Films, and the nominations are...
And the award for Best Background Music for the Web Original Film goes to A.R. Rahman for Amar Singh Chamkila.
The Danube Properties Filmfare OTT Awards 2024 for Best Sound Design Web Original Films, and the nominations are...
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Sparsh Srivastav on stage, please.
Oye,
ओए, ओए।
खतरनाक।
ये तो बिल्कुल लापता नहीं है ये लड़का, ये तो बहुत ही यहाँ है। क्या बात है?
So the winner
सर एक बार
is-
इंग्लिश बोल के बताइए प्लीज।
I love you.
पूरा ही बता दिया आपने।
So the winner for this category is Dhiman Karmakar for Amar Singh Chamkila.
Thank you, Imtiaz sir. When he called me for Chamkila, one thing he started with, make Chamkila big, make him big with the sound. So that was the thing. Thank you, Window Seat Film. Thank you, Mohit sir, Mohit Chaudhary. Thank you, the whole Chamkila team. This award I want to dedicate to my wife, Solanki Chakrabarti. Without her, it's a huge support of her. And my family, my Baba Ma, and yeah, I'm very... Thank you.
सिलसिला तो जारी रहेगा, लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले जो एक बहुत जरूरी सिलसिला है जो हमें करना है पाजी, वो है ये. We have to thank our esteemed short films jury. Please give a huge round of applause for Anirudh Roy Chaudhary,
Arjun Datta,
Jyoti Kapoor Das,
Nikhil Advani,
Nikhil Mahajan,
Niranjan Iyengar,
Onir,
सोनाली कुलकर्णी। वैसे पाजी एक डायलॉग बड़ा फेमस हुआ था जो हर मीम हर जिफ का हिस्सा बन चुका है। सोच अगर आर्चीज में भी ये डायलॉग यूज होता तो कैसे होता?
कैसे?
देख रहे हो आर्ची, वेरोनिका कैसे बैठी हुई है।
पाजी लेकिन वेरोनिका नहीं, वो तो बेटी बैठी हुई है।
ओह
हाँ, लेकिन अगर हीरा मंडी में ये डायलॉग इस्तेमाल होता तो क्या होता?
कैसे?
देख रही हो आपा, कितना बेगैरत है, बिना अशरफियां दिन ही चला गया।
नहीं? एंड इमेजिन द फैमिली मैन में अगर होता तो क्या होता?
देख रहे जेके तलपड़े, अपने होठों को सुजा के क्या इमोजी बनाया है। The next award is for the best short film director.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Dharmesh Darshan sir.
And this is the best winner, Filmfare for Best Director.
Best short film director.
Best Short Film Director, Jairaj R. Wakuppu.
जयराज भाई के लिए तालियां। नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है बेस्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म फिक्शन.
Best short film, Desh Kari. Producer and director, Sanjay B. Dev.
This is my first award. So prestigious. I think the world is divided between two people, people who have won Filmfare Award and people who haven't. Today I belong to one, and my team has won this. And I thank my team, DOP Vikram, music composer Aishwarya Malgave, editor Shekhar, and my family. I think one simple message I want to give here while making a film. I belong to advertising background, and I know the art of telling a story in a short span. One call we took was, Deshkari is just short in terms of duration, but the entire technique, the technology, folly, we have used it like entire large-scale film, and I think this is the result of that. I thank everybody, thank Filmfare for it. I thank my wife Sunita, my mother, my daughter. Thank you very, very much. Very prestigious for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We like to dedicate this award to whole our team, my family, and my friends for supporting always. Thank you.
Congratulations. The next award is for the Best Short Film People's Choice Award.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Nikhil Advani Sahab on stage.
Filmfare Short Films Awards, Best Short Film People's Choice. Satya.
भाई क्या बात है, तो लग रहा है KGF के रॉकी साहब आ गए.
Andarki Namaskaram. This is a Telugu short film. Thank you Filmfare for giving us this award. Satya के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ? I mean, जितना भी बोलूँ कम पड़ जाएगा. But in this fast-paced life, I think we lose track of what is important and what is it that we really need. And Satya tells us what we need, what is important, and that is love, belief in ourselves, children, and our country. So. Thank you, Vijay Durga Productions. On the behalf of Vijay Durga Productions, Dil Raju Productions, Teju, the soul of our film, Naveen, and the entire team of Satya, thank you, Filmfare. We couldn't have asked for a better platform so that Satya reaches everywhere and everyone sees it. Thank you so much.
Andariki Namaskaram. Good evening, everybody. The reason we are all here today is because of this wonderful piece of art that we all cooked up together. It's called Satya. And the reason I opted to direct for this movie is because it's a story about a girl who's born in a remote village and who's been spoiled or who's been overprotected by the parents because of the harsh realities outside, and who meets a great husband who just introduces her freedom. That's it. He just gives her a freedom of choice. And the choices she makes after that is, there are two roads that she takes. One, she knows she has freedom, but the moment she has freedom, she has fear because she doesn't know what the world is outside. And when that husband is not there anymore, what does she choose? And I think when Satya releases, I think you will all know what the answer is. And one of my biggest inspiration to write this film is my grandmother, who's the reason for the man I am today. And the reason I worked so hard till date to get up here. And she's probably the first person I would like to show this award today. But unfortunately, she's not here with us anymore. But I know she's seeing us from there. And we've all grew up together. And we've come as friends. And I guess this is a proud moment for us. And hope we entertain you more and bring out good projects in the future. Thank you so much. I thank everyone who's in the team, my family, my support. Thanks for my producer who came up with the idea. And Shruti Ranjani, who's the music director, who inspired us with her beautiful tune. And that helped me to pen Satya down. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి ఈ కేటగిరీలో నామినీస్ అందరికీ కంగ్రాట్స్ అండ్ దిస్ అవార్డ్ ఈస్ వెరీ స్పెషల్ ఫర్ మీ బికాజ్ I actually never thought I'll be on stage here with all my friends, one from 3 decades, one from 2 decades, and one from 1 decade. We are all friends together. We came with this film, and very happy that we won the award. And I'd like to congratulate all the nominees in this category as well. And one thing for sure, I want to dedicate this award to all the Veernaris of our country who sacrificed their husband or their brother or their sons for the security of keeping us safe. So I would like to dedicate this award to all of them, to all the Veer Naris. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
ऐसी आप कहानियां बनाते रहें, हम देखते रहें, and let it inspire everybody.
The next award is for the best short film actor male.
Filmfare Short Film Awards, Best Actor Short Film Male. Congrats, Saurabh Sachdev. First time.
I dreamed of this from a very young age. We used to see actors coming on stage and having filmfare. And here I am having my first for a short film. Wow. मुझे लग रहा था मुझे अवार्ड ही नहीं मिलेंगे. लास्ट ईयर मैंने इतनी सारी फिल्में करी, सब लोगों को इतने सारे कैरेक्टर पसंद आए, पर मुझे कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला. तो मैंने बोला मिलेगा, कभी ना कभी तो मिलेगा. So I am thankful to my team, those who have casted me, and I'm also thankful to myself that I said yes to this film. It happened because one of my student, Shivangi, she said, we want to cast you. But you people are so young, and why will you want to make a film on married couple? So, and I was very skeptical about it. Should I do it or should I not do it? But then I took a chance because these were very passionate people, Adiraj, Shivangi, and Priya, my co-actor. Shiveen. So they were very passionate, and I was like, okay, let's do it. And we did a workshop, and I never knew it's going to be. So people, take the chance. Maybe we get it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
The next award is for the best short film actor female.
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Niranjana Iyengar Sahab on the stage.
And the trophy goes to Madhura Gokarn.
मधुरा के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Frankly, it was very overwhelming to just be nominated. I have dreamt of this for like million times as a kid. But my fears and my self-doubts kept me far away from taking a step to act. I chose a shadow career as production design, and ironically, I excelled in it. But my heart always belonged to acting. It took me immense courage to take a stand for myself and chase my dreams. But I'm really glad I did. I'm grateful to my friend Ashutosh, Swapnil, and Akanksha, who is waiting in Bangalore to see all the pictures. Thank you guys for making this film. Thank you, Filmfare, for giving us a platform to showcase our film. I'm really, really grateful for everyone who supported me in this journey. I believe that this award is not a recognition for my work, but a celebration for determination,
hard work and honesty.
शॉर्ट फिल्म के बाद वक्त है उनका जिन्होंने पैसे देने में कोई शॉर्टेज नहीं की है। टाइटल पार्टनर डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज दुबई,
Co-powered by Hyundai Motor India Limited, Uttar Pradesh Mahakumbh 2025.
in association with ITC Fiamma, KPT Pipes, Campa Energy, Non-Stop Energy with a fun twist, and Uttar Pradesh Tourism.
अब अगली जो अवार्ड कैटेगरी है, भाई बहुत रिस्क लेने वालों की है वो।
रिस्क मतलब वो म्यूचुअल फंड वालों की, क्योंकि म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट
नहीं
रिस्क।
नहीं नो 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 नो।
तो फिर कौन सी बात?
यार आजकल सब लोग कॉमेडी को सीरियसली लेने लग गए हैं, हर चीज पे ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं यार।
हाँ यार, ये लोग भी ना, इनका तो जहां मन करे जो कर देते हैं। कमेंट्स में जाके लिखेंगे यूट्यूब पे नॉट फनी, ट्राई हार्डर, मीम्स बनाएंगे और फिर बोलेंगे माय मीम इज फनियर देन योर्स। अरे क्या मतलब भाजी? भाजी कंट्रोल
कैसे करे कॉमेडी? कैसे कोई कैसे करे? हाँ क्या कुछ नहीं सोचना पड़ता हमें, कैसे बताओ ना।
भाजी संभालो खुद को, कर सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं। अरे देखो यहाँ पर कौन कौन नहीं है, कॉमेडीज के नॉमिनीज बैठे हुए हैं।
कौन है?
अरे जमील खान, गुल्लक में क्या मस्त हंसाया था उन्होंने। अरे रवि किशन,
हो।
अरे नो जिंदगी झंडवा एंड वेरी लिटिल घमंडवा।
अरे निधि पेश,
अरे
तोड़फोड़ मचा देती है जब भी आती है।
और सुनीता जी, गुल्लक और पंचायत में तो उन्होंने क्या ही हंसाया है यार।
खतरनाक,
है ना,
भयंकर।
है ना इंस्पायरिंग। कितनी इंस्पायरिंग बात है ये।
आई एम फाइन, आई एम ओके, आई एम फीलिंग बेटर। वाह, दिस इज गुड। कॉमेडी जिंदा है, तो चलो कॉमेडी अवार्ड्स देते हैं फिर, हैं?
बिल्कुल।
The next award is for the best supporting actor series male comedy and the nominations are
क्या बात है भाई, देखो वाह, ये लिस्ट देख के मेरा मन गदगद हो गया
शक्लें
है।
देख के ही लोगों के चेहरे खिल गए।
To present this award, we would like to welcome Laksh Lalwani on stage.
Good evening, everybody. And the award goes to Faisal Malik for Panchayat Season 3.
फैजल मियां,
क्या बात है।
मुझे लगा कि आज नहीं मिलेगा तो सूट जाके जला दूंगा।
देख रहे हो विनोद?
थैंक यू टीवीएफ,
पीछे से
थैंक यू चंदन, और बाकी घर वालों को थैंक यू तो है ये बेचारे। और थैंक यू फिल्म फेयर आपका।
The next award is for the best supporting actor series female comedy, and the nominations are.
Woohoo! And to present this award, we would like to welcome Mihir Ahuja on stage. Oy hoy! Hey, bhai.
The best supporting actor series female comedy, and the winner is Nidhi Best for Mamla Legal. Congratulations.
वाओ, अच्छा लग रहा है यार ये पकड़ के। थैंक यू सो मच।
सबको अच्छा लगता है।
मैंने सही से तो पकड़ा हुआ है ना इसे। आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक माई पहाड़ी जीन्स फॉर दिस अवार्ड। मैंने आज पहनी नहीं है, बट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक माई मॉम, माई डैड, माई ब्रदर, माई भाभी, माई नीस अनुष्का, जिसको मैं प्रॉबली दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ। Maybe my cat Lata से थोड़ा सा कम. Thank you to all of my family. Yeah, I'd like to dedicate this award to my seniors at the law firm. मैं पहले lawyer थी. Archana and Saya. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
The next award is for the best comedy series special, and the nominations are.
मामला संगीन है पाजी।
में आंसू आ गए हंसते हंसते।
हंसी खुशी के आंसू। खुशी के आंसू हमें बताने के लिए कि कौन जीता ये अवार्ड, वी वुड लाइक टू वेलकम ऑन स्टेज राज नीडमुरु।
Best Comedy Series Special. The Filmfare Award goes to मामला लीगल है।
लीगल है।
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, jury. And this belongs to Saurabh Khanna and Kunal Halija for writing the show. Saurabh is a bit of an introvert. He couldn't make it here. But this belongs to them. And Rahul Pandey, the director of the show, and the fabulous cast and crew, every single person who worked on the show. Thanks to Netflix for backing the show. And yeah, party time tonight.
टैंक बाजी
हाँ पाजी
आई मिस दोज डेज जब नॉन फिक्शन शोज देख के ना मिथुंदा बोलता था आई क्या बात क्या बात क्या बात। हाँ और फिर सारे लोग कैसे गीता कपूर जी को गीता माँ बुलाते थे, कितना होमली लगता था। आई मिस दोज नॉन फिक्शन मोमेंट्स ऑन ओटीटी।
पाजी ये भी तो बात है कि आपने नॉन फिक्शन लिखा हुआ है, मैंने किया हुआ है इंडियन आइडल।
क्या किया हुआ है
ये बहुत नॉन फिक्शनल बातें हैं पाजी।
खतरों के खिलाड़ी भाई, बाप रे बाप, एक से
भाई मैं
भयंकर
तो
shows।
पाजी मैं तो बोलता हूँ आप भी ना खतरों के खिलाड़ी मगरमच्छ पकड़ोगे तो क्या मजा आएगा।
मुझे पता नहीं लेकिन मगरमच्छ को जरूर मजा आएगा। नहीं किसी के दांतों में मैं नहीं फंसना चाहता।
पाजी फंस भी गए तो ये डेंटिस्ट है ना यहाँ पे, ये एक्स डेंटिस्ट आपको बचा लेगा।
स्टिल प्रैक्टिसिंग
सेलिबसी
सेलिबसी मैनेजमेंट में है आप।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है। ये एक नया क्वार्टर निकला हुआ है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अब क्या, अब तो सिलेबसी छोड़ देते हैं, अवार्ड सेरेमनी का प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं कौन है हमारा नेक्स्ट विनर।
तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, डैन्यूब प्रॉपर्टीज फिल्म फेयर ओटीटी अवार्ड्स 2024 को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड इज फॉर द बेस्ट नॉन फिक्शनल ओरिजिनल सीरीज स्पेशल एंड द नॉमिनेशंस आर
And to present this award, we would like to welcome Vijay Maurya and Shruti Menon on stage.
My favorite, The Hunt for Veerappan. The award goes to. Congratulations.
Finally, I guess our parents will be proud of us. This means a lot. Filmfare, thank you so much. Firstly, for recognizing this as a category for nonfiction in a mainstream, world. And I think my rockstar director, Selvamani, would agree with me in thanking the contributors first. If not for them, this show wouldn't be there. It wouldn't be what it is. And it wasn't easy for them to, take that long mile, go back in time, and touch upon this story, which was so deeply rooted in their lives and has impacted so many people. So big, big gratitude to all of you for making this happen for us. Thank you.
This show is dedicated to a fever dream of a crazy man called Selvamani, and to all the people who came and contributed, our cast and crew. Most of you who are here and also won a lot of awards. It's very important to understand that there was a perception of the man, and we were able to bring some perspective to it. And I hope if you haven't watched it, please go back and watch it. And I hope that did that for you. It was a 20-year manhunt, and it was an incredible 4 years working on this show. We thank all our crew members and their families, because we were in the jungles for 4 years. And our incredible supporters at Netflix, who did not leave any stone unturned to support us. And take this big shout out to Kimberly Hassett and Forrest Borey, who are in LA and who contributed to editing the story. And once again, thank you. Thank you, Filmfare.
कैंग यार।
हाँ पाजी।
पाजी हमने तो आज बहुत सारे अवार्ड दे दिए।
अभी तो बहुत बाकी है।
हाँ दोस्तों, इसी के साथ पहला पड़ाव हमने पार कर लिया। लेकिन पैसे नहीं मिलेंगे इसके कुछ, पर अवार्ड आप सबको भरपूर मिले।
Before we bid adieu for this session, we must thank our esteemed jury, Ajit Pal Singh,
Ali Abbas Zafar,
Amit Masurkar,
Anand L. Rai,
Anvita Dutt,
Ashwini Ayyar Tiwari,
Avinash Arun,
Devashish Makhija,
Harshvardhan Kulkarni,
Jasmeet Reen,
Juhi Chaturvedi,
Nikhil Mahajan,
Nipun Dharmadikari,
Oneer,
Rosit Roy,
Rahul Chittela,
Ramesh Torani,
Randeep Jha,
Srijit Mukherjee,
Vasan Bala.
And also thank you to our super valued sponsors, title partner Daniel Properties Dubai, co-powered by Hyundai Motor India Limited, Uttar Pradesh Mahakumbh 2025.
Associate partners ITC Fiyama, KPT Pipes, Campa Energy, Non-Stop Energy with a fun twist, and Uttar Pradesh Tourism. Radio partner Mirchi, audio partner Ghana, trophy partner the Award Gallery.